I would totally wear these like every day. I love these. Hello, it's Elle. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you some things that have just arrived in the post from Flamingo Jewellery. She sent me some a while ago for a shoot, and it has been lovely to be able to showcase those during the shoots and also during my calendar as well for 2020. So during lockdown I've been in touch with her and I thought we could maybe do a little bit more showcasing of her products. So let's get into it. I am absolutely loving her packaging. It is awesome, and her label as well. I don't know if you can see, my camera will focus. The Flamingo Jewellery on the sticker as well, so that's just great. So I'm going to open this now and we can have a look and see what's in it. I haven't opened it yet, so I have no idea, so you'll get my reaction. Oh my god. There's so many in here. This is amazing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lie them down on a flat surface so that you can see them as well. Oh my goodness, look at these. So pretty. Look at the shine on them. Really well made as well. Both of them. So beautiful. I love the seashells and the shine on it as well. Oops. Really cool. And then I've not had a hair clip before, so this is really cool. Get to have a look and have a play with that in a few minutes. And these leaves. Really nice. This gorgeous necklace. Beautiful. So lovely. Beautiful. I shall try them all on. So these ones have got a different attachment to put in your ears. What you do is hook it on like that through your ear. Very cool. All the rest of the earrings are like that. The pointy ones, the usual ones. But those are the ones fit really nicely as well. So this is the first set. Absolutely loving the heart shape. I think it works really nicely. It's kind of a very feminine set. Really, really nice. This is the next set. I would totally wear these like every day. I love these. So comfortable as well. They just sit really nicely. Really nice. Really feminine. I love her jewellery for that. It's really nice. Everything is really feminine and you feel very feminine when you wear them. There's the third set in. Really shiny. Lovely. It makes me feel very like a mermaid. Very pretty. They're quite light to wear. Really comfortable. Don't feel like my earlobes are going to fall off. They feel really, really good. This is the next set. Really bright and colourful. Really stand out with these ones. Looks wicked. Really cool. Kind of a tropical feel. Be great if you're having like a beach party or something like that. These ones feel quite regal and quite nice. They've got a little gem on the top here. And they fit really, really comfortably as well. Don't feel too heavy. And I've got a perfect dress that will probably go really nicely with these as well. So I'm sure at some point I'll have a photo shoot and then I can show you that as well. It'll be good. Also got kind of a foresty feel, so you could wear them, you know, if you're going to the park or if you're going out for a walk in the forest, things like that. So yeah, that's good. So this is the hair clip. Nice pearl and shell detail going on here. The clip. Sometimes I find hair clips particularly can be a bit uncomfortable, a bit heavy, but this feels quite light and quite comfortable to wear. Doesn't dig into your head and give you a headache, which a lot can do. Finally, we've got this gorgeous pendant. It's got this fine silver chain with a clasp at the back, and it sits just sort of on the collarbone, just below the collarbone. On the side it looks like it's got dried flowers, which is beautiful. It feels very light to wear, not at all pressing down. Don't feel like I'm constantly having to pull it back up or anything like that. And it sits in the middle, doesn't move around. I have a lot of necklaces that move around, which can be very uncomfortable, particularly when you've got children. So you don't want to be having to move it around during the day. So yeah, probably wear this one for a wedding, maybe perhaps, or christening, special events. I have a really nice turquoise dress that probably would go really nicely with this. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching. I will leave Flamingo Jewellery's details in the box below, so if you want to check her out and maybe give her a little order as well. In the bag that I got in the post, she also sent me this, which is the details of her jewellery and everything. So I shall leave that information in the box below so you can check her out. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment about the jewellery. Let me know what you think. See you on the next one.